In this video, I'm going to show you how to block out time on Setmore. Now, there's actually two ways I'm going to show you, but of course, there's probably more. However, these two are the most effective and the easiest to do. Now, the first one is you want to go to your calendar over here, and then you just want to select some time. So, for example, 9 a.m. And then here, you want to change, for example, from 9 a.m. to, let's just do, I don't know, 12 p.m. over here. And then that time will be blocked whenever you click on create. Just make sure you actually are creating an event and then naming it something, like for example busy. There we go, and you can just click on create, and when you do that, that time has actually been blocked off. Okay, however, there's a second way of doing it. You can go to settings, and then you can go to your profile by clicking your profile over here, and then you have breaks, and then you could also set the breaks to actually block time off. Okay, so you could go to Monday, for example, select a break from 9 a.m. to, let's say, I don't know, 12 p.m. Oops, so 9 a.m. 12 p.m. or whatever you want to do. Let's do 11 a.m. Click on save, and there we go, you've blocked time off. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.